Hi guys, so today let's talk about Printful, which is a dropshipping company that will dropship your merchandise to your clients directly. You don't need any stock, you don't need any investment. It's free to start. They take a benefit when they print and you can take a margin when you sell. And you are able to set the margin that you want. By default, it's like €5, dollars, whatever it is. You can expand it, like a t-shirt can be 20 or 30. Anyways, this is the homepage. So remember yesterday we had a shop on digitux.com that was actually empty. There's nothing on it. Now to add some products to the catalog here, we will need to link Printful to Ecwid. And how can we do this? So you need to be logged in your Ecwid account first. Then you need a Printful account, obviously. I don't have one, so I will register. It's in Spanish because I'm in Barcelona, as usual. And don't forget, if you want to support the channel and try for yourself, we have an affiliate link in the description. I will use the Digitux account. I say yes, sign me in. I accept the conditions and I want to say that I'm online, I'm an agency, or I can even skip that. You will end up with that interface in English, maybe. Key, and we will put it in English. Okay, English here, that's good. First things that you need to do is you will need a product, okay? I already got a few logos and I want to have some t-shirts. So we go in the product templates, and we create a new product that we can use on different stores or whatever. Today, I just want to have a t-shirt. I will use the Bella Canvas 3001. Okay, so here I want it in black. Be careful because you have black ether here. It's not the same than black. Why? I want black, like black. All the sizes, and I want to have a logo here. I understand the conditions. And I will upload the main logo in letters. I will use this one. I'll place it more or less here. You can see the mockups on the right side if you click here. And I'm happy with it. And I will just save it, or I can add an inside label. So with the inner label, they take out the tag and they add all the information on the shirt directly. You have some different templates and then you can add your logo here and it looks more or less like this. So now on the mockups, you can see now that you have the brand directly on the t-shirt. Let's see if I have all the, yeah, I have selected all the sizes and I save it to template. What I will do is now I will add maybe a hat, a cap, like this. The Yupong is one of the most sold, not in dark navy, but in black. And I will get another file for this, the logo in PDF. So you can send JPEGs, PNG, and PDF files. So this one will be an embroidery, and I think it's perfect in the middle here. That's it. And I'm fine with it. So I will save it to my templates. Okay, then I can create maybe like a beanie, maybe a bucket hat. I like those ones with maybe that logo here in green, Kelly green. Let's see the mockup. Yeah, it's a bit much. Maybe then I will use the other logo, which is a bit more discreet, I would say. Yeah, that works better for me. This one, I'm cool with it. There's only black, navy, and white, but I will keep it in black. I will save it to templates. So we have a t-shirt, a hat, and another hat. Now let's say we have a sweater. Maybe this one. No, it's not bad. So we can have the logo here. I think this is nice. In the back, I can have something else. But I will keep it simple for this one. You can have sometimes the sleeves on the side, you can make the back. So there's a lot of things you can do with the Printful products. Okay, and now maybe the last one what I will want is like a proper hoodie. I'm a hoodie guy, you know. So hoodies, I will go for the classic Gildan 18500. Up, the logo on it. Maybe size it a bit bigger. You can see the mock-up again. And that's it. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, save to template. And now you see you can add to store. So the thing is, before you add it to the store, you need a store linked, basically. So you need to install the Printful app on Ecwid, which means you have to go here in apps. So my apps, visit app market, and you search for Printful, which is already here. So it's very fast. You install it. This app will be able to blah, 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 install it. Okay, so there's one thing we need to do here is we need to enable the ask for a zip postal code in the settings, general here, and it's in cart and checkout here. You need to ask for the zip and postal code, which is here. You need to enable it. You save. Now it's gone. So we need to still install it. Open the app. So it's installed. Loading Printful. That's good. Utilizamos cookies. Permitir todas. And you will need to connect to your Printful account. Again, you sign in, continue, connect store to Digitwix, blah, 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 confirm. Now you will have your Printful dashboard directly into Ecwid, but you can also use it here. So you can go back here, find the stores, and you will have your store here. So if you check here, you will see that I'm in Spain, so I should be in euros. But for some reason, the store billing currency is in USD. So I will change it, and we can change this in billing methods. Here you can choose the store that you need to change, and you change it to euros, and hopla. Now when you go back to the store, it should be in euros. It's in euros. Now you need to add some products. Here I already have 4 products, maybe a bit more. And what I will do now is I will add the products to the store. So the first one will be the hat. Proceed to mockups, a basic mockup. I'm fine with those ones. Up, 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 continue. Add all the information. You can add a title here. So Digitwix snapback hat. Then you continue and you can change the price. For me, the price at 28 is fine. So here you see it's in dollars, but you will always have the dollar sign, even if it's in euros. So just don't pay attention to it. Then here you will see underneath, if you go into the store, you will see it's being pushed to the Ecwid store, and Ecwid will push it to your website. So now when I come here, I should see my hat here. Perfect. To get the square here, not like the long version, because you have another version, you need to go into the design and choose here square, because initially it's in portrait, so it's like portrait 2:3, and it looks like this, which is not good. Check square 1 by 1, and when you reload the page, you have it in square, which is much nicer. So this is one product. I will do the same for the other products, and it's exactly the same process. So I will go a bit faster, and I'll see you in 5 minutes. So now all the products that I wanted are synced with Ecwid. So we should see now the products in the catalog here, which is the case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's fine, perfect. So I will check now, and boom. Now we have all our products. So let's say I want to buy a hat. I will add 1. Then I want to buy a t-shirt in 4XL. I add it to the cart. Then I want a t-shirt for, let's say we have an assistant here. Then in 4XL, because I'm large, I love large. And I can add it also to the cart. Now I can go to the payment. I didn't set anything for the payment here. With Ecwid, you can set different payment method. You have the pay by cash. You have the Stripe with Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, all those things. You have PayPal, also with PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. And you have all the other manual payment method and the one for the European Union. We just have manual, but it doesn't really matter. I will pay. Here I already have all my information written. One thing I would like to clarify is that on the left, you have the prices of the goods. So you have the 4 products. That's all the prices of the goods. Then you have the transportation, and the transportation is given directly by Printful. So they charge exactly what they charge you in the Printful app, and it's transmitted directly to the customer in the checkout. So they pay it upfront, and then you pay Printful. The big difference with Shopify, Shopify needs a very high plan to get that option, and here you have it directly with the free plan. So that's one of the major differences between Printful and Ecwid, is with Printful you directly have the prices of the transportation directly given to you in the checkout. It's a big difference, and trust me, it's really worth it. Then you can continue and you can pay by cash, and if I click here, then I make the order, which I won't do right now because I won't make an order for myself. It doesn't make sense. Quickly, that summary cart here, you see, this is not meant to be in that color. This is a silver stripe rule. It's not a rule from Ecwid. This is how it should look. Just know that Ecwid is able to find the colors that you use on your website and adapt to it directly. And that's it. That's how you can add Printful products that you can drop ship directly to your clients. So you don't need any stock, you don't need any investment. You have high quality clothes for your merch, and you can start right now for free. Now set your margin as you wish. And don't forget, if you want to support the channel and try for yourself, we have an affiliate link in the description. And that's it for today. Peace.